The question is to find the derivative of the function. First, the function we have in fraction form, right? Usually if we have a fraction form, we apply quotient rule, right? But we don't have to apply quotient rule if we have only one term in our denominator. Instead of applying quotient rule, what we can do is we can simplify this fraction first. This expression can actually be broken down into 3x cubed over x squared minus 4x over x squared minus 5 over x squared. So if we do that, that's going to be equal to 3x cubed over x squared minus 4x over x squared minus 5 over x squared. Then this is equal to 3x minus 4 over x minus 5 over x squared. And then this is equal to 3x minus 4x to the power of negative 1 minus 5x to the power of negative 2. So the derivative y prime is equal to derivative of 3x, that's a 3, minus 4 times x to the negative 1, apply power rule, right? So negative 1 times 4, that's going to be positive 4x to the negative 2, minus here 5, apply power rule here, negative 2 times 5, but we have a minus, so plus 10x, subtract 1 from negative 2, negative 3. So finally, this is equal to 3 plus 4 over x squared plus 10 over x cubed.